There can be miracles when you believe. Yeah, I'm definitely not a singer. I can completely understand if you want to leave. But if you do leave, you'll be missing out on this 3-card miracle. What up, crew? It is Magic Monday, and this is your place to learn magic, master your performance, and captivate audiences. Before we get started, check out those pictures I bought. Like, I am thrilled to have those, especially the one of the wolf. It's fantastic. The other wall is currently blank, as you can see, but we'll get something up there soon. Welcome, everyone, and if you're here for the first time, they call me CardMechanic on YouTube, and my friends don't call me. Before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and now let's check out this 3-card miracle. Alright, my friends, do you believe in miracles? Because I'm about to show you one with just 1, 2, 3 playing cards. So what's really cool about this miracle is that depending on which way this packet of 3 cards is facing, all the cards are of the same suit and value. Let me show you what I mean. So if we take a look at the bottom card, we have the Ace of Diamonds, center card, Ace of Diamonds, top card, also Ace of Diamonds. But now if we just twirl this packet, make it face the other way, we can see we have the Ace of Spades on the bottom, we have the Ace of Spades on top, and we have the Ace of Spades right in the center, which is pretty cool. So again, packet facing this way, we have Ace of Spades on top. We change the packet, change the direction of the packet, Ace of Diamonds on top. But here's the real miracle. If we have the packet this way, like I said, we have Ace of Diamonds on top. I'm going to change it like this. All the cards now turn into Ace of Spades, so we can pull out an Ace of Spades. Now this one last card, I always never know, do I want to make this a spade? I want to make this a diamond? I just don't know. So what I like to do here is perform the actual miracle. Instead of flipping it over like this, we're going to turn it horizontal. And then if we take a look, this card actually doesn't know what to do, so it turns completely blank. And that is the 3-card miracle. Alright, everybody, so before we go ahead and break down this 3-card miracle, I do want to give you a little bit of background. This is based off a trick known as This and That, which I saw on Miss Mag 822's channel many years ago. I remember performing that trick in high school for the longest amount of time and always getting the greatest reactions. So I kind of wanted to take that and change up the performance a little bit to get a different kind of outcome. But overall, it's a very similar concept. So given that background, let's go ahead and break it down. So of course, the first thing you need for this trick is, bam, 3 playing cards. Personally, I like to use the Ace of Diamonds, Ace of Spades. I feel like they're very memorable playing cards. And then I just like to use a blank card because I feel like that really has a big impact in the end. But I think if you had a card that's pretty much a combination of both, that would have been great. I should have done that. So as you can see, many times you even come up with ideas as you're performing. Give me a second, I think I can make this even better. So here we have the 4 of Spades, I also have the Queen of Hearts, and with these first playing cards, you also get a melted Queen, which is, you know, a half fade between the Queen of Hearts and the 4 of Spades. I think this will actually add a very nice twist at the end. But before we actually get to that, just wanted to say, if you have this deck, you know, use it. If not, get it. Not sponsored. But anyway, here's how you want this trick set up. You want one of the solid cards on the bottom, you want the melted queen or the blank card, whatever you're using, in the center, and you want the other solid card right on top, and you close it up this way. So coming into the performance, you tell the spectator that they're going to see a miracle with 3 cards, or ask them, do you believe in miracles? And as I say that, I just show off 3 cards. So I show them 1, 2, 3 cards. I display to them like this. And now I come square them all up, and I'm ready to begin. I give them a little bit of backstory saying that depending on which way this packet's facing, whether it's facing this way or this way, all the cards become the same suit and value. And then I tell them, here's what I mean by that. So I show them the bottom card. I'm holding the packet now in a middle grip, like this, thumb on bottom, middle finger, ring finger on top. I show them on the bottom, I have the Queen of Hearts. Peel off the top card, and again, the effect you're really trying to sell them is that you're showing all Queen of Hearts, but you're doing it like this. Queen of Hearts, peel off top card, Queen of Hearts, peel off top card, and Queen of Hearts, and I like to just give it like a bit of a flick and then put it back right here. Okay, so let me go through that one more time. I just want to talk a little bit about the psychology behind it, because here when you're showing them the bottom card, you say, okay, so the bottom card's Queen of Hearts, peel, center card Queen of Hearts, peel, top card is also Queen of Hearts, and turn that over. Now, if you do it quick enough, obviously the spectator will never notice this, which is insane to think about because really you're just showing the bottom card several times. I don't know why anyone wouldn't see it. But anyway, so you show them that it's like that. Now you twist the packet over. I like to hold it by the top right-hand corner, bottom left-hand corner. And of course, if you're holding this packet in your other hand, then it'll be top right-hand, left-hand corner, bottom right-hand corner. So I'll hold it like this, give the packet a twirl like this. And what I try to do is not flash the bottom card because I kind of want it to be almost a surprise. So I twirl like this, and then I show them the bottom card. Again, I hold it in a middle grip, but this time I come up like this instead of, you know, turning my wrist over. Come up and show them like this, but for you, I'll just show you since it's on camera right there. We have the 4 of spades. And now we're gonna have a different kind of handling because I kind of wanted to show the spectator that, you know, that's one way of showing the cards. I can also show them in a different way, so it doesn't seem like I'm handling everything in the same way. So I'm doing the same trick to deceive them. They can be shown in any way. So from here, you pull down this top card, and you push up the second card and the bottom card. Okay. So again, you show them 4 of spades, turn it over, pull down, and now using your thumb, place it here. Index finger goes here. Middle finger goes on top. Push both of these 2 cards forward, and you'll see when you're pushing these forward, you're automatically going to have a stopping point because it's going to make contact with the bottom card. So once you've had this, now there are 2 cards aligned here on bottom, and the middle card is in the middle. So you're showing them. You have the 4 spades on the bottom. You do the move. Pull both these cards out. Make sure it's cleared. Turn it over. Show 4 spades is also on top. Close that, and then you show them 4 spades is also in the center. Now, this is a move that really took me a long time to learn because it was difficult to kind of pull out, and you know, whenever I did this, they would misalign half the time. So whenever you're doing this move, right, pulling back, forward, just make sure to have as much control as possible. Try to grab at this corner here. This way the cards are aligned, and when you're pulling it out, this way the cards really won't split unless you physically split them. So pull it out, turn over like this. Okay, let me get back into the actual setup. So again, starting from the top, Miracle with 1, 2, 3 playing cards. Depending on which way the packet is facing, that's what all the cards will be. For example, we have the Queen of Hearts, peel from the top, Queen of Hearts, peel from the top, Queen of Hearts. And if I turn it around the other way, we'll see now that the cards have changed. If we look at the bottom cards, a 4 of spades, push down, push both second and top card forward, pinch at the corner. The top card is also the 4 of spades. This is a double lift, turn that over. Middle card is also the 4 of spades. Now, as you're pushing this back in, get a pinky break underneath that 4 of spades. So push that in, and now you're gonna turn them both over. But what you're saying is when you're turning them over, is since the packet's facing this way, you can see clearly the top card is 4 of spades. And again, this is a double lift, turn that over, and now I like to turn the packet again. If we take a look at the top card now, it is the Queen of Hearts. So the cards always change depending on where the packet's facing. So once in a while, we have the Queen of Hearts. If we turn it, you can see we have the 4 of spades. But sometimes I just don't know what to do with this last card. And that's why I feel like this card's really cool, because it shows me that I'm undecided. So now, again, this just came up to me. Well, this idea came to me while I'm filming this. But that means this card is also undecided, just like me. So if you can do the pirouette, you know, something like this, I think it would add a nice effect to it, showing that these cards are almost merging. And then do that twist, open it up, and show them that this is a merged card between both of these. And I think people will go nuts when you show this to them. I gotta say, in my 4.5 years of doing card tricks on YouTube, I never just randomly changed what the trick was. Like, the performance was always the same as the tutorial, but this time the idea came to me with like a merged card, and I just had to teach it that way because I feel like it would have a bit more of an impact. But I'd love to know your opinion. Try it out both ways and let me know down in the comments what kind of reactions that you get. Thanks for watching, everyone. I really appreciate you spending your time with me, and if you have some extra time left over, I have plenty more videos on this channel. I'll put a good one right here. Go ahead and check it out. I'll see you soon. Peace out.